2004 Lexus ES 330. Door handle broke. Craig, how'd you fix it?
So there's like the door handle broke on this side, so I had to
take the door handle
off.
off.
To take this door off. This door
panel's off, right?
There's like a metal piece that was in front of here. Took that off.
Okay.
And then when I got to that, I was messing around because I didn't understand how it worked, but now I kind of understand. There's like this piece of metal this long piece of metal has to go in underneath of here because I accidentally took the entire thing off. It has to go underneath of here, and it should be like a yellowish colored piece of plastic that this metal piece is supposed to go into. And when you go up higher, you see over here, I was playing with it, and this piece of metal here has to be in front of this little spring. So what you have to do is if you take this thing off, this whole entire door handle off, you have to put the piece of metal over here of the door handle has to be in front of this little spring, because as you can see, if it's not in front of this little spring, it won't do what it's supposed to do. As long as it's in front of this black spring here that I'm pointing at directly at, it will do its job.
And if you're not sure, take the other door panel off and look at how that one is.
If you mess up, yeah, just take the other door.
And then look at that and see that one works. But it's recessed pretty far back in there.
This is kind of a oddly specific video.
And